Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on market outlook and Nifty and Bank Nifty key levels to watch out for the coming sessions. Nifty on an intraday basis tested the highs of 24,980 and saw a profit booking aggravating and tested the levels of 24,670 700 zones. Now Nifty on an intraday basis saw a swing of 300 points. Nifty major supports now placed at 24,600 680 and resistance placed at 24,900 followed by 25,000 levels. Saw a negative bias. Bank Nifty opened gap up and tested the levels of 52,500 zones and saw a profit booking towards the levels of 51,900 zones and ended the day negative 140 points for the day. For now, Bank Nifty and Nifty very crucially poised, and Nifty if breaks the levels of 24,600 and Bank Nifty breaking the levels of 50,300 and 50,800 zones, we will see profit booking aggravating and Nifty and Bank Nifty can see a negative bias to continue. That's it for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.